Hi guys, Toxic Gamer here, and we're back for some more. I just wanted to show you, like, my Xbox One controller went on, and here it is now. Look, I've even got batteries in it. I've got batteries in it, as you can see, and it will not turn on. Yes, before you say I have tried putting charger in, but it just will not come on. So yeah, guys, could you give me some tips and tricks, because I dropped it a couple times now and it will not instantly turn on. So yeah, Toxic Gamer out, peace.